Meanwhile, Sasikala has made a comeback. She also paid an emotional tribute to Jayalalitha in what was her first visit to the Jaya Memorial after she was released from the prison after serving a 4-year-long jail term in a disproportionate assets case. The visit, of course, raising several questions about the Chinnamma's role in AIADMK and her own political career hereon. Here's all that has transpired in the past few hours.
After 4 years of political exile, VK Shashikala, also known as Chinnamma, is back in the public limelight. And as expected, her comeback began at the feet of her beloved Akka. Shashikala paid an emotional tribute to former Chief Minister, late J. Jayalalitha, at her memorial. Swamped by a sea of supporters, many of whom were carrying AIADMK flags, teary-eyed Chinnamma broke down at Amma's memorial before spending time meditating. She also paid tributes and with folded hands bowed before Amma's memorial. In what seemed like her bid to revive her political career, the former AIADMK General Secretary VK Shashikala made one more stop. She also paid her tribute to the former Chief Minister and founder of AIADMK, MGR. Towering figure in Tamil Nadu politics, whom Jayalalitha considered her mentor. At MGR's memorial, she spent several minutes in silence. Shashikala's visit comes a day ahead of the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the founding of AIADMK.
First, a huge, massive public appearance after she was released from prison. I remember following her right from Parapana Agrahara, right there in Bengaluru, up to Chennai. When she came over here, I let her, it was almost 24 hours, 23 to 24 hours. This is one of the reasons why she's actually come out here, made this huge this appearance over here. It's a very, very strong political statement, telling EPS and OPS, both of them, that they need her, they require her in order to bring back the party to its glories.
After paying tributes to Amma and MGR, Shashikala hinted at her role in the future of AIADMK.
தலைவரும் அம்மாவும் தொண்டர்களுக்காகவே வாழ்ந்தவர்கள், தமிழக மக்களுக்காக வாழ்ந்தவர்கள். அம்மாவிடம் நடந்த விஷயங்களை அவரிடம் ஒரு நல்ல எதிர்காலம் இருக்கு என்பதையும் சொல்லிவிட்டு தான் வந்தேன்.
Shashikala also said that the people of Tamil Nadu know why it took so long for her to come to the memorial. She also said that whatever burden she's been carrying in her heart for the past 5 years, she has kept over in that place. And not just that, she also said that MGR and Jayalalitha worked for the people of Tamil Nadu, and that she is confident and has told Jayalalitha that AIADMK has a prosperous future.
Just less than 6 months ago, Shashikala had created a massive political buzz by announcing that she will stay away from politics and public life. But 6 months is a long time in politics, and Shashikala seems to have had a change of heart. But will EPS and OPS-led AIADMK, who have shunned Chinnamma so far, change their mind too? And just how far is Shashikala prepared to go to win the Jaya legacy war? With Nolan Pinto and Pramod Madhav, Bureau Report, India Today.